But evidently they don't call them nads there, because otherwise the wax would be named balls. But more importantly, what are you going to do with an entire case of Nair?
I thought I got a pretty good deal.
But you can't use an entire case of Nair in your lifetime. What, are you a werewolf? Is that a spork?
They said to take a left at the fork.
No, it's a spork.
What?
Whoa. Is that plastic? Get it out. Here, I'll help. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Do you hear that? I think it's leaking. Do you have a spare or a patching kit or something?
Something. Something else. This will do it. All right. That should be good. Let's go.
I don't think we're gonna make it.
It's definitely a flat tire.
Cut. Oh, wait, you guys. Oh, my God.
What? What?
It said satire.